Hey guys, my name is Kernan. Welcome back to Octane Street, the road here on YouTube that never ends. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your aftermarket air filters, because as you guys can see, mine has gone from a beautiful red to this. And the way we're going to do that is with the Precision 2 filter cleaning kit. A link to this will be in the description below for both Canadian and US viewers. So feel free to use that link to copy either the red or the blue cleaning kit. This kit comes with everything you need and will last you about 4 cleaning cycles of your air filter. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take it off the vehicle and start with step number 1. Alright, so as mentioned, the first step is to actually remove the air filter from the vehicle so that we can prep it for the washing stage. Next, you are going to lightly tap the air filter on a hard surface to knock loose any debris. Feel free to use a soft bristle or wire brush like a toothbrush to gently remove any debris that might be stuck within the grooves of your air filter. Next, apply a generous amount of the provided air filter cleaner spray to the entire air filter. Thoroughly wash the air filter with a low to medium power water source like a sink faucet or a garden hose. Let the air filter air dry for 24 hours. This time can be reduced if you let it dry in the sun. In the meantime, look up the amount of oil your air filter requires on the sbfilters.com website. I'll leave a link for you in the description below. Once your air filter is completely dry, pour the correct amount of oil into the provided applicator. Using the applicator, apply the oil to your air filter in a ring pattern starting ½ inch from the top with ½ inch between each ring. Be sure to use the correct amount of oil if you poured the total amount for the filter and the power stack into the applicator all at once. Place the filter on its base and let the oil settle for 15 minutes. Now, use any remaining oil on any missed spots during your initial coating. Allow the oil another 15 minutes to settle on the air filter before reinstalling it on the vehicle. Lastly, reinstall that brand new air filter on your vehicle and re-experience what it feels like to have your beast breathing right again.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.